A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, we were studying your chapter number 4, that is Layout in Word 2016. Today we are going to move to part 5 of this chapter and we will be completing the chapter as well, dear children. Now today only the last topic is remaining, that is printing a document. Now how to print the document? If we want our document in a hard copy, we have to print it. So first of all, I will tell you the shortcut key, that is Control plus P. Okay, to print a document, that is Control plus P. Now see dear children, this is our Word document. Now I want this Word document to be printed in hard copy. How will I do it? I will go on the File tab. Then I will click on the print option. See, here you are having the option of print, dear children. Okay. Now see the first one, that is the print option. That means when we want it in a hard copy. Okay. So we will click on this. Then you are having over here the number of copies. You can increase the copies as well and you can decrease the copy from this down arrow. Okay. Then next you are having Microsoft Printer to PDF. That means the printer name will be displayed over here. Okay. Then print all pages. Print all pages. Some settings we have to make before printing the document. Okay. If we want to print all pages, like for suppose in our document we are having 5 to 6 pages. So we will click on print all pages. Second option you are having print selection. Print selection means whatever text we are selecting it, if we want that text only to be printed, we will first of all select the text and then we will click on this print selection. Then print current page. Print current page means the page which we are currently working on. So if we want to do that, we can do that as well. Then custom print as well. Custom print as well, for suppose now I want the print of first and third page, then 7th and 9th page, then 12th and 14th page. So in this way I can here like mention the page numbers. Okay, for which pages I want the print, I can mention the page numbers over here easily, and then only that pages the printed copy we will be getting, only for that pages. Then second setting you are having, that is print one-sided. Print one-sided means only one side you will get the printout, or manually print on both the sides. Manually print means the paper will be reloaded automatically and on both the sides you will be getting the print. Understood? Then that is collated. Collated means the prints which we want. Okay, this 1, 2, 3 are the page numbers. Okay, that are the page numbers. So collated means we want it in series wise, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the printed copies like this. Or uncollated means we want 3 copies of first page, 3 copies of second page and 3 copies of third page. So in this way you can mention it over here as well and you can easily get out the printout. Then next you are having here the mode, that is portrait or landscape. Okay, you already know about this. Then the paper size. By default A4 paper size will be selected. If you want to get printed on legal paper, if there are some official documents, so we can get it printed on the legal paper as well. Then margins. Here you are having the margins. Okay, we have already seen about this. That is a moderate, narrow, normal, custom setting, wide, mirrored or Office 2003 default. Okay, by default the normal margins will be selected. Then next here you are having 1 page per sheet. 1 page per sheet, that means on one sheet how many pages you want to be printed. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 or 16. Okay, so you can easily set the settings over here and then after the final settings, you can easily click on this print option and you will get out the printout, dear children. Understood? Are you all clear with this? And what is the shortcut key? That is Control plus P. Now, let us move on to our worksheet part, dear children, which is remaining at the end of the chapter. See, the first question, write the keyboard shortcuts for the following. For single line spacing, what we use? We use Control plus 1. For double line spacing, what we use? We use Control plus 2. For 1.5 line spacing, we use Control plus 3. Okay. Then for align text left, that is Control plus L. You also have to write it in your textbook, dear children. Okay. Then align text center, that is Control plus C. Align text right, that is Control plus R. Then justify, Control plus J. Okay, and the last one is printing a document. Okay, that is Control plus P. So, I am giving you all the answers, dear children, so that you can easily do it. Then, the second question. Give one word for the following. Settings that are predefined in the software. That is known as default settings. That is known as default settings. Okay. Then, the white space between the text and the edge of the page. That is known as margins. That is known as margin. Then, the ruler that displays the top and the bottom margin, dear children, that is vertical ruler. That is your vertical ruler. Okay. Then, default page orientation, that was portrait. So, here you have to write portrait, dear children. These all the things we have already studied. Then, the space between the paragraph is known as paragraph spacing. That is known as paragraph spacing. Are you all clear? So, you got the answers for all the questions. Now, along with this video lesson, I will be uploading the answer key as well for this chapter. Okay, dear kids? So, for today, this was it, dear children. Now, we will meet next time. Till then, bye-bye all. God bless you. Take care.